Hello everybody, I'm going to be telling you every single exotic joker in the entire of the cryptid mod. I think there is new ones, but I am in an older version, so I do not have those new ones. If you're wondering what version this is in 1.0.1 and dash full, yeah, okay, whatever. But, okay, so I'm going to tell you each exotic joker in the entirety of this cryptid mod in this version. Starting with Scally. Scaling joker scale has degree to polynomial raise degree by 1 at end of round. Now, if you think I know exactly what that said, I do not. I have no idea what this thing is talking about, other than it's scaling by like 2 times. So like something like this, instead of scaling by like 7, I'm pretty sure it'll scale by like 14, and raise degree by 1, so scale by 12, 14 point. I don't even know, man. Don't ask me. Anyway, retrigger all cards played 1 time. Each played card gives 2x multiplier when scored. So pretty nice. Retrigger all cards played 1 time. And 2x multiplier when it's scored, which is very good. Next, we got it. Poker hands gain 2x mult and 2x chips when leveled up. So if you just level up like high card, it's 10 chips and 1 multiplier. Instead of just to be 10 chips, will be 20 chips and 2 multiplier, then 40 chips and then 4 multiplier. You get the point. Then this one, very, very cool. Very, very fun. This joker destroys a random planet card and gains 0.4 mult at the end of the shop. Currently, I had this thing at like 301 before. This thing's very fun. Then you had this. This joker gains dash, whatever the little thing is, 0.03 mult when X mult is triggered. So, very OP. Creates a negative copy of a random joker at the end of the shop. So, I think this should be more legendary than a negative, than exotic, I meant. The negative is pretty nice. And it could be a little other exotic, so I guess it does, or legendary, so I guess it does deserve the exotic title. Then you have Ifaric Siri, I don't know what that's saying. Draw full deck to hand when blind is selected. If you can't handle me, I guess you don't deserve my toy. Okay. Draw full deck to hand when blind is selected. Cool. Radio. -1 anti when $10 is spent. Requirements increase exponentially per use. Next increase $10. Okay, and then to the final page and the final page is literally just exotics. So I also had this in one of my runs. 25 plus joker slots and $25 at the end of the round. Very, very OP. Like, extremely OP. Very, very good card. Then you have this joker gains +4 chips per reroll in the shop. All rerolls are free, which it's just OP. You can just spam rerolls and then just get enough chips to beat like a round. Like, that is how insane that is. Then pie chips and pie mult. Exactly 3 hands are remaining. So very, very OP. Yeah, This joker gains 0.17 mult if all cards played in hand are aces, 2, 3s, 5, or 7s. So pretty cool. Prime. Ace Equilibrium. I know how to say that. I'm just not going to say it properly. I know. Ace Equilibrium. Ace Equilibrium. I can't say it fast though. Jokers appear using the order from collection crate to negative jokers. Jokers appear using the order from to the collection to not to the collection crate to negative jokers when hand display. Exotic or better jokers cannot appear. Last joker generated or something. No, I don't care about that. And then whenever that if played cards are scored 10 or fewer times. When a tag is acquired, create 1 copies of it and increase the number by 1. Very mid. Okay. It's still OP, but it's pretty mid for an exotic. Then you had double all values of the leftmost joker at the end of a round. So like something like this. Or maybe this. Like, or even this. Imagine this. That is very overpowered. Oh my god. This joker gains ×1 multiplier when a joker or playing card is scored. Oh. Okay, that's cool. It's pretty nice. When a cursed joker is obtained, destroy it. It creates 3 negative candies at the end of a... Okay, yeah. Alright. Create an M joker at end of round. Each Jolly Joker or M Joker gives that much multiplier. Increase amount by that much multiplier when a Jolly Joker is sold. Very, 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 very good. Like, there's so... If you get something like... What is it? I'm pretty sure it's like a blank M. Well, this, I think, also does that. Holly, yeah, this. If you get this, wait, this, game over. Game over. Wow, very good. That is the end of all the exotics. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 exotic jokers. Cool. Anyway, that's the end.